Start mechanical design, part design, sketcher, sketcher, select plane and click sketcher. Here see center rectangle. Select first point or center point. Here we can see select or click a point to create the center of the rectangle. So select one point. Again, now let's see here. Select or click the second point to create a centered rectangle. So now I am selecting second point here. This is the centered rectangle. This is vertical axis, horizontal axis. These are parallel to each other. Now this, see the symbol equidistance. Okay, this is equidistance with this one. See this one, and this is equidistance with this one, this line. If I change this, if I drag this line, automatically the above line also increase. Sorry, now we can't understand. For example, constraint this origin point. Constraints. Now see, if I drag this point here, the above part also increase. Okay, let's say from center point to below line. If I give 20 mm from the center point to above line, also the dimension will be 20 mm. Means if we give one dimension, the other dimension also automatically changes. See from this 100. Okay, now this point is constrained with the horizontal axis. Now constrained with vertical axis. Right click, coincidence. Okay, this is a centered rectangle. Okay, see a first point. He is asking first point. From horizontal, this point to somewhere on this horizontal line, he is asking. I am giving at some point 400. Okay, so it is constrained. This line, it moving vertical, but it doesn't moving horizontal. Means from this point to this point, it is 400. Now I want to mention vertical. So consider vertical. And in vertical, so I am giving 400. Okay, let's give 400. Here is the point. Now I want to give second point. See here, he is mentioning give second point, or else we can give height and width also. Okay, let's give height 100 by. See, this height is conformed with 100 mm. Now we want this dimension, that is 200. See here, 200 by 100. First we have selected point, later we have selected length and width. Okay, like we can give dimensions and it is fully constrained. That is center rectangle. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.